Okay, here we're going to do Bulgarian split squats with dumbbells. We don't need dumbbells. We can start out with no dumbbells. If this is a new movement, I'd rather you start with no dumbbells. So I'm going to show you how to do both of those. In my programming, especially if I'm training you in person, you know that we do split stance squats a lot. That's where we are over our front knee, just going up like this. This is sort of like that, except for we're going to be having our back foot elevated on a box. So let me show you first with no weight. Here I am, foot out. Sometimes you just want to get your back foot positioned first before you get your foot out, but then you're kind of doing a little hop. It's a little funny. But here is an example with no weight. So we're coming down as far as you can. I mean, I can touch my knee, but you don't need to. Even just going like this is fine. Now I'll show you with weights. Obviously, it's going to be very similar. There's my hop I always do. So I'm still over that front knee, just like we do with the split stance squats. So it's very similar, but it's really targeting the muscles that we want to target. And, you know, that's one of my favorites. So Bulgarian split squats.